Introducing first man fighting out of the blue corner. This man stands 6 foot 4 inches tall, weighing in at 185 pounds. Fighting out of Comox Valley MMA and Fitness in Comox, BC. Please welcome Andrew Payne. His opponent, the man fighting out of the red corner. This man stands 6 foot 5 inches tall, weighing in at 184 pounds. With a record of 2 wins and 1 loss. Fighting out of West Coast Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and mixed martial arts in Abbotsford, BC. Please welcome Jesse the Titan Bird.
Welcome, fight fans. We are set for some middleweight action here at Battlefield Fight League 14. It's Andrew Payne taking on Jesse the Titan Bird. Jesse Bird has a very long reach, and he's going to use that to his advantage in this fight, throwing those leg kicks with authority. Andrew Payne firing back, but Jesse Bird grabs a hold of his leg and takes him down to the canvas. Jesse Bird looking to establish side control. Jesse Bird training out of West Coast Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, so his ground game is solid. Jesse Bird looking to take the back of Andrew Payne. Andrew Payne's got to be very careful here. He doesn't want to wind up inside a triangle or an armbar, but he's back up to his feet. Both men standing square in the center of the cage. Nice combination by Jesse Bird. Another outside leg kick, followed by another. Andrew Payne's got to check those and start firing back. The crowd getting behind the Titan. Oh, he connects there. Jesse Bird looking to tee off now. Andrew Payne getting out of there, but here comes the Titan once again. Bird continuing to throw some leather. He's mixing it up really well with those kicks. Oh, it connects with another right hand and an uppercut. Jesse Bird lighting him up. Oh, another uppercut lands. Another right hand. Andrew Payne walking on Queer Street. Nice head kick. Andrew Payne still in this game. Andrew Payne with a leg kick, but Jesse Bird walking forward. Nice knee to the midsection by Andrew Payne. Just to remind the viewers, this is an amateur fight, so knees to the head are illegal. Knees to the body are fine, and Jesse Bird is finding a home for them. And round 1 comes to an end. Round 2 about to get started. Very good first round by Jesse Bird. Jesse Bird looking to continue that momentum forward going into the second stanza. We'll see if Andrew Payne has made any adjustments. Oh, Andrew Payne getting lit up once again. Andrew Payne resetting. But Jesse Bird coming forward once again. That was a very nice leg kick. Oh, here he comes. Titan, big knee to the midsection. Andrew Payne, you can tell by the expression on his face, he is hurt. Andrew Payne slowing significantly. That could be big trouble as Jesse Bird finds another right hand. And here he comes. He's just throwing for the fences. Oh, big right hand, and this one's all over. The referee has seen enough, and Jesse the Titan Bird picks up the victory. Let's take it to Don Andrews for the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee John Cooper calls a stop to this fight. 1 minute, 24 seconds of the second round for your winner by referee stoppage due to strikes, Jesse the Titan Bird.